Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold USD currency pairs. First we'll look at the event calendar for today, then we'll look at the DXY dollar index, then we'll start our regular gold analysis. So when we look at the events for today, at 10 AM we have high impacting news on Australian dollar, and again from 12:15 PM we have low impacting news for most of the major currency pairs like Euro currency pairs, British pound currency pairs, Canadian dollar currency pairs and US dollar currency pairs. At 7:30 PM we have high impacting news for US dollar currency pairs, ISM service PMI, and at 7:35 PM we have medium impacting news for US dollar currency pairs. So plan your trade entry and exit based on this. Don't enter into the trades at wrong time. Let us look at DXY. I'm in hourly time frame of DXY. When we look at the price action in DXY, previously it was in a very nice bullish trend. It tested the resistance level of 99.335. Then the bearish trend reversal happened, but it did not fall all the way. It took support around the level of 97.765. Again it started its bullish trend reversal. Again, looking at the previous price action, in the past also it had taken resistance at the same level. So this resistance level is going to be holding the market from going further on the bullish side, and this support level is again going to prevent the market from going down on the bearish side. It is going to be a range bound market as long as the price action is trading between this resistance level and the support level. Currently it is in a very nice bullish trend, so I am expecting it to take resistance at the previous resistance level of 99.325, then to bounce back on the bearish side. But overall, when we look at the price action, I have drawn a support line over here. You can notice that it is still in a very nice bullish trend. As long as the price action is trading above this support line or the trend line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. And if it breaks this trend line, we can expect it to fall further on the bearish side. But for now, the current price action is in a range bound market, and currently it is in a bullish trend. Let us start with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs. When we look at the past price action, previously it has tested the level of 2073, then the bearish trend reversal has happened, then it came up to the level of 1674, then the bullish trend reversal started and found resistance around the level of 1920, then the bearish trend reversal has happened, again took support at the same support level where it had the previous bounce back on the bullish trend. Currently also it has bounced back on the bullish trend and took resistance around the level of 2071, then it has taken a bearish trend reversal. So when we look at the chart formation, we can clearly notice that it has formed a double bottom pattern, and this level of 1922 will be acting as a very strong support level when the price action tries to come on a bearish trend reversal. And double bottom means bearish trend reversal, which means currently the price action is in a trend reversal. Let us wait and see if the price action can retrace up to the level where it started its bullish trend reversal. So, but for now we know that this level will be acting as a very strong support level. So the price action has to break this support level in order to further continue with bearish trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So this whole area in red color will be acting as a very strong support zone when the price action tries to go on a bearish trend reversal. When the price action breaks this support zone, next level of support zone is going to be between 1826 and 1768. And when we look at the overall trend of the market, I have drawn a bullish channel pattern Previously we had noticed the price action bouncing back from this resistance level, and at this level it has broken this resistance level, and next time when it trends back on the bearish side, you can notice that this resistance line is currently acting as a support line for the current price action, which is preventing the price action from falling further on the bearish side. So looking at the current price action, it is still trading above this bullish channel pattern, and it has tested several times to break this channel pattern, but still the body has closed above this support line. So as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line, it is still in a bullish trend. Once it breaks this trend line or the support line, we can expect the bearish trend to start, but still this whole area will be stopping the price action from falling down on a bearish trend reversal. So it has to break this whole support area in order to continue its bearish trend reversal in daily time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I am drawing one more trend line over here. So currently the price action is still trading on a downtrend. The price had very sharp downfall, again bounced back on the bullish trend and took resistance on this resistance line. Again it is consolidating within this bullish channel pattern support line and the resistance line from the hourly time frame. It is still under a consolidation and forming into a triangle pattern. As long as the price action doesn't break this resistance line, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side. Wait for it to break this support line or the trend line, then you can go on a bearish side trades in hourly time frame. If it breaks this resistance line, you can take trades on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action has taken resistance from this resistance level and it is on a retracement. Looking at the past price action, we can expect it to break this support level of 1919 and to continue on a bearish trend reversal, because we have already noticed the price action broken this support level and went on a bullish trend to gather enough momentum to retrace and to break this support level. Let us wait and see if the price action breaks this support level and falls further on this bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it was on a very nice bullish trend. You can notice that the price action has respected this support line or the trend line. Over here this trend line had acted as a very strong resistance line, and currently the price action has found resistance at this resistance line. Soon we can expect a bearish trend reversal on this currency pair in 30 minutes time frame. Again, this level of 1919 is the support level from the higher time frame. It has to break this support line in order to continue with bearish trend reversal. If it doesn't manage to break this support level, bounce back from this support level and to continue on a bullish trend for now. Let us mark the support and wait for it to break this support level if you want to go on a bearish side trades, or wait for it to break this resistance line if you want to take trades on the bullish side. Currently the price action is under consolidation, so there could be multiple trend reversal within these price actions. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. The value in red color boxes are the higher time frame support levels. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, it has already bounced back from the 30 minutes time frame resistance line or the trend line, and it is on a bearish trend reversal in 5 minutes time frame. In order to continue its bearish trend reversal, it has to break the support level of 1925 to go further on the bearish side, because we have noticed the price action bounced back from this support level in the past. So again it will be acting as a very strong support if the price action retraces at this level. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So the values in blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. I have drawn one more support line or trend line for 5 minutes time frame over here. So the price action has to break this trend line or the support line in order to go down on the bearish side trades. But again we have seen a very strong support at this level of 1926. It has to break this support level also in order to go further on the bearish side and to test the higher time frame support level of 1919. Let us wait and see which direction the price action breaks. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.